down to the lit.
Okay, y'all, so what's up? It's True Two Times. Welcome to my channel, y'all. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I apply acrylic because I get questions a lot. We're gonna do a get to know me in this video. Right now I'm applying Tammy Taylor primer to her nails. I already did the dehydrator and I do the primer one by one so I can make sure that the nails like actually last long and that the primer really does what it needs to do. But anyway, I'm nailed by True. My name is Nisha. Some people call me True because it's my Instagram name and that's a lot of my social media names. So I've been doing nails for about 3 years. I am a licensed nail tech. I became licensed May of 2022. Y'all, it's me trying to figure out how I'm gonna record and stuff. I got licensed May 2022. I started doing nails when the pandemic came because something happened with me and I was working and I really couldn't work how I wanted to. I really couldn't be up or standing up for a long time, so I found a hobby, which was doing nails. I taught myself how to do nails. I learned from watching YouTube. I learned from watching other people. When I went to school, they really taught me how to do pedicures, if I'm being honest. They didn't really teach me much. I didn't like how I applied acrylic on this one, but it came out cute in the end because I know how to like fix my mistakes. But yeah, I really learned how to do nails from YouTube. I watched Sydney Alexis. I watched, what's her name? Her name's To Barbie or something like that. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. That's why I said something like that. I'm gonna link them. That's who I learned from. I had a job at Chick-fil-A. I invested into my business. Spent lots of money on stuff. Didn't really know what I was doing at first. A lot of people ask me questions about how did I get started, what did I use to get started, and I just want to get more into that. Right now, y'all, I'm using Valentino's Valentino Beauty Pure soft, I think it's called Soft Touch. It's a really soft white because that's the look we were going for. I love Valentino acrylics. I wish I knew about that when I was a beginner. It's just his stuff was so expensive. I'm like, I'm not about to buy that and I don't really know what I'm doing. But his acrylics are really beginner friendly. I had someone, another nail tech who I was working under before. He told me that Valentino's not a good one to start off with. But me personally, I like Valentino because it just smooth like butter. Y'all see how I'm applying that acrylic and it's just going so nice and soft. I'm really just letting y'all see the raw and uncut of me doing these nails. Y'all see that it's kind of like chunky and everything. It's just I know how to fix my mistakes. And it's not too bad. Like, I'm a little harsh on myself. It's not too bad. But I really get sidetracked, y'all. So, sorry. Bear with me. But hold on. So, yeah, y'all. Now I'm applying the Tammy Taylor primer again to her nail because I'm about to apply acrylic again. But, yeah, what was I gonna say? I need to stop saying I know y'all hear me keep saying but I liked Mia Secret when I first started off, and yeah, Mia Secret was the only one I used. After Mia Secret, I think I used some other place, but I cannot remember the name of this beauty supply. I ordered from them online and I like their acrylics, but I always stuck with Mia Secret. I used Mia Secret nudes, Mia Secret covers, Mia Secret colors, and then after that I moved on to Valentino. Tried a few of Valentino products, loved them, and I brought like almost all his colors. So I'm just now starting to run out, and I probably did that about 2 years ago. It was not cheap, but it was worth it because I still have those now and I still can use them. I'm gonna re-up on some cover nudes and like colors like that. My favorite nude is Perfect Nude by Valentino, and then right after that is Glamorous Nude by Valentino, and after that, what else nude do he have that I like? I like a lot of them. I'm actually wearing one right now. But yeah, that's a good acrylic to start off as a beginner. When I first started, my brush size that I used was 8, I believe. Then I went up to a 12 because I liked the way the 12 went on when I first tried it. And in this video, y'all, I think I'm using a size 16 brush. That's new for me, but I actually do like the 16 brush. I'm still getting a little used to it. That's why y'all see me adding more acrylics sometimes. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Don't cancel me. Don't cancel me. But I usually encapsulate when I do white. But these nails, I don't know, I just didn't do it this time. It's like I didn't really need to, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's an option. You can encapsulate if you want, but I didn't feel a need to do that, so I didn't really do that. And when you apply acrylic, you don't want to get it like in the actual cuticles, because that's going to cause lifting. So you see me going a little bit under the cuticle. It's going to take time to get to that spot where you can just do that like that. So you can't really rush yourself. And nail tips. I started with, I cannot remember the name. I'm gonna have to add the links down below. I really started with nail tips, any kind of nail tips, honestly, long as they were nail tips. I was starting off with curved nail tips. I didn't even know why my nails was turning out how it was turning out. It was because the tips I was using, they were curved, like they weren't straight, and I just couldn't understand why I wasn't getting it. I'm gonna add some pictures of how my work used to look. Yeah, like I started off with curved nail tips. I was buying any kind of nail tips. I didn't know what I was getting. My nails weren't lasting, but then again, they kind of were, because I was using Mia Secret Prep and Dehydrator. It's just the fact that I wasn't applying my acrylic the right way as far as towards the cuticle. It's like I would get it on the skin and that caused lifting. What else can I tell y'all that I like to use? Monomer. I use Mia Secret monomer, but I also used to order my monomer from this one place. I cannot remember the name of it, because I got acrylics from them and monomer. I think it was called the Nail House Supply. I'm gonna just link it, y'all. But usually when I do nails, I do like a 3B method. I do one at the tip, one in the middle, kind of, and then if it's not what I like, I add more. I just do what works for me. I really like the 3B method because on medium to long nails, because it just works fine. Sometimes on long nails you can use the 2B method and it'll still look good. Like, it'll look great with the 2B method on long nails. But the most important thing is your structure, what you're using to prime, and how you're prepping your nails. I'm gonna make a separate video just for nail prep. I'm gonna make a separate video just for application, which this y'all can see me applying nails. But I said applying nails. Y'all can see me applying the acrylic. Y'all can see that I'm not rushing it. Y'all can see that my beads are not runny. I'm gonna make a separate video on what your powder to liquid ratio should be, or how to check it. And you know, sometimes when you apply acrylic and it's too chunky, it's because the bead was too dry. Or if you apply acrylic and it wasn't like smooth enough, it's because the bead was too dry. Or if it was too wet, and then it's just obvious, you know, it was too wet. So there's a few different ways that you can fix that. Y'all see that that bead that I applied to the nail was a little bit runny. I didn't. Usually I'll pat the brush on a paper towel so some of that excess monomer could come off, but I didn't do that time. Another thing I want to say to beginner nail techs, do not rush greatness. Greatness is going to take time. I'm still learning every day, and I've been doing this for a while. I'm not the best as far as like drawing and art and stuff like that, but I am working on it, you know. I'm working on it. We working. It's nothing to it. I really just want to come over here and introduce myself to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for the likes and the subs. Thank y'all for all the love that y'all show to my reels. I really appreciate that. This was supposed to be a get to know me, and I started talking about what I recommend for beginners. Anyway, like I said, my name is Nisha. I'm 20 years old. My birthday is September 13, 2002. I'm from Miami, but I live in the Daytona area. That's what I'm gonna say, because I live in like New Smyrna, but I'm gonna just say I live in the Daytona area. So yeah, I live in Florida. If anyone else is watching that's outside of Florida, I like to make videos. I do have my own personal YouTube. I will link it down below if y'all want to subscribe to my personal YouTube, where I do vlogs and I do videos, funny videos, all kind of videos. You know, I do some of everything. I'm very flexible. I like to do TikTok. I do have a TikTok account. Make sure that y'all go follow my TikTok. Also, y'all, what am I gonna say? Hold on. I just wanted to welcome you guys to my channel in the correct way, because my last video was probably 2 years ago or a year ago. I don't really remember, but my last video was so long ago, and I just feel like it's time for me to update y'all. Also, y'all, I will be moving into my salon suite, my first salon suite. I'm moving into it January. No, we're going into February. I'm moving in February 8th. I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna make videos of me decorating the suite. I don't really know what I want to do with it. I'm gonna make videos of me decorating the suite. The salon is so beautiful. It is Azriel's beauty salon. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I forgot. She told me how to pronounce it, but I forgot again. But the salon is beautiful, and everyone that works in there is super talented. So like, I'm super lit. I'm so ready to work with a team, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm so proud of that. I'm moving in. I'm happy. Like, I'm starting to chase my dreams, chase my goals. I'm being more consistent on YouTube. You know, I'm trying to post more videos, because why not? You know, people like to watch stuff like this. Also, you guys, if you have any questions as far as beginning with nails, please feel free to comment down below and let me know, like, any questions y'all have with anything. Just comment down below. I'm not mean. Like, I will help you. I'm not one of those people that gatekeep. Not at all. I do at some point want to offer classes, but right now is not the time, because I want to learn a little bit more stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can teach the basics, you know, for people who just getting out of school. Most time when I went to school, they really wasn't teaching the girls who knew nothing about nails that much. Like, it's like they were learning, they were touching the bases of it, but they wasn't really getting into it. Without me already knowing how to do nails, when I got to school, I really would have been struggling. Like, I would have been struggling. So I do want to offer help to girls who's in school, or who just want to know, period. So I am going to offer some kind of class. I don't know what. I don't know what the price is going to be. I don't know, like, how am I going to do it, because I just want to, you know, do more. You know what I'm saying? That's another thing that I want to get into. I want to offer. I'm also going to tell y'all some of my favorite products. I'm going to make a video about some of my favorite products. I'm going to make a video about everything you need to start off. As far as like being a nail tech and getting into this industry, and what you need to know, you know what I'm saying? I've worked at 4 salons in my life. I worked at 4 salons in 2022. I worked at 3 salons in 2022, and I do want to tell stories about those. I had 2 great experiences at 2 salons, you know what I'm saying? No, I worked at 4, y'all. I had 2 great experiences at 2 salons, and I had 2 bad ones at some other ones, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it's life. You live and you learn. Y'all, look at that application. That's when I was done. I had popped back on y'all like, what? Who that? That's me. I did that. You know what I'm saying? That's looking real nice and crisp. This is my best friend's nails. She didn't really choose her shape. I just gave her a shape that fits her nails. I just feel like that shape fit her nails. She didn't. If she would have asked for something, I would have gave her what she asked for, but I felt like that fit her nails really well, so that's what we did on her. And she kind of just let me freestyle. But yeah, I get off track so easy. I want to thank all y'all for subscribing. I want to thank all y'all for watching this video right now. Feel free to ask me questions. Make sure you guys are following me so y'all can see when I post. You can follow me. You can always send me a DM. You can send me a text. You can comment down below. I will get back to the comments. And I just thank you guys for everything. I want to keep posting more, and I want to show you guys everything I do. I want to show you guys my journey. I want to show you guys me moving to my suite. Like, it's just a lot. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I'm doing stuff. Y'all can see I do nails in my garage. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and I also work a full-time job. So, yeah. I'm a really busy girl now, okay? Also, I have a graphics page. If you need an intro made, you need a banner made, you need flyers made, you need a logo made, anything you need made, I also have an Instagram for that. I will link that down below. I will link all of my social medias down below. Make sure you guys let me know if you have any questions. I thank you guys for watching this video, and welcome to Nail by True's nail channel. You know what I'm saying? It's lit. You know, this year is the year. Y'all, I'm gonna start telling y'all what I'm doing. So y'all see me just buffing over the nail and filing it down with an actual nail file before I use a drill. I like to use a hand file sometimes before I start using the drill because it just gives a better look sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I'm going to show y'all the end results. I love the nails. She loved the nails. She's get compliments on them at work and stuff. So, you know, when you get compliments about your nails, your hair, anything, you just feel like, yeah, my nail tech that girl, my hairstylist that girl, and yeah, I'm that girl. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. As the rebel comes out, there you go, call on me. When you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big.